Evelina and welcome to my YouTube channel, Indie Yogi. Power Yoga for Fat Loss Part 2, Beginner to Intermediate Friendly, jumping straight away into it. Hold your palms in Namaskara Mudra and take about 10 deep breaths through your nostrils with your eyes closed. Feet shoulder width apart. Dynamic side-to-side stretches, sliding one palm down the side of your thigh and the other arm beside or slightly behind your ear. Keeping your knees straight, stretch the sides of your waist, test and improve your flexibility, continuing for about 5 to 10 repetitions. Now join your feet together and lift both arms in Namaskara. Continue a few more half-moon side-to-side stretches, stretching the sides of your upper back muscles and tightening the abdominal muscles. Excellent for body posture maintenance. The idea is to not let the arms fall in front of our faces and keep our spine and core erect. Now keep your left foot forward and right foot behind and maintain a gap roughly wider than shoulder width between your feet. Keeping knees and thighs tight, bend backwards into a deep stretch in Namaskara Mudra. Maintaining your arms behind your head as they are, get into a deep forward stretch. It's an excellent stretch for hamstring and spine flexibility as well as works on shoulder strengthening. Continue for 5 to 10 repetitions on each side. Now that the spine flexibility has increased, let's focus on improving the hip mobility as well. Moving on to the hip circles. Grip sides of your waist with your palms and push the pelvic region to your right, back, left, center, followed by the reverse, left, back, right and center. Continue for 5 to 10 repetitions without bending your knees. Right, let's now work on inner thigh, hamstrings and quadricep flexibility and strength. Turning from low lunge on one side to the other with palms folded in Namaskara Mudra. Try to touch the knee of your back leg gently to the ground and notice that the upper body should not fall forward throughout the stretch. Do for about 8 to 10 repetitions of the asana. And now, let us try a balancing move. Bind your arms behind your body, holding the alternate elbows. Now bring your folded left knee up to your chest and gradually as you fold forward, drive the leg behind you with the toes pointing to the ceiling. Definitely improves balance and flexibility, but most importantly, it's excellent for improving focus and concentration. Continue for about 5 to 10 repetitions and then switch legs. If you keep losing balance, then feel free to use support on one hand and place the other hand behind your back. Moving on now to the next stretch. Squats on heels to halfway forward folds. Join your feet together, lift your heels up. Squat down while raising your arms above your head. Now gradually land heels down, straighten the knees and bend halfway, sweeping your arms behind your body. This stretch targets your calf muscles while lifting the heels, targets your hamstrings while bending forward, your quadriceps or upper thighs while squatting, and shoulders while lifting your arms. Performing such compound asanas also greatly increase focus. Moving on now to the floor asanas. Starting with elbow to knee plank stretches. Keep your wrists under shoulders, body parallel to the ground and core muscles engaged. The high plank position. Fold your right knee and try touching it to the left elbow, back to the high plank and then touch the right knee to the right elbow. After a few repetitions, you would start feeling the burn in your core muscles. Remember to keep the stomach muscles engaged throughout. Practice for about 5 to 10 repetitions and then switch to your left leg. Apart from core strengthening, it also works on wrist and shoulder strengthening. Heroes to camel pose. Keep knees shoulder width apart and arms lifted in line with your back. Gradually lift hips off the heels and rotating your arms behind, try reaching for the heels in camel pose. Touching the heels could be slightly difficult. In that case, just reach your hands as close to the heels as possible. From camel, again land your hips back on the heels. It works on your shoulder and spine flexibility and quadriceps or upper thigh strengthening. Heel touch in low lunge. Adopt a wide stance low lunge position with your right foot forward and left knee on the ground. Touch your left heel with the right hand with your left arm raised behind corresponding ear. And then touch the same heel with your left hand and right arm raised. While touching heels with your hands, rotate the torso in synchronization as well. This stretch works on your inner thigh, hamstring and flexibility of your spine while improving focus and body balance. Continue for about 5 to 10 repetitions on each side. The puppy to cobra stretch. Take a tabletop position and gradually lower your chest and chin down into Ashtanga Namaskara. One by one, straighten your arms and extend them forward. Keeping your hips high, you can also walk your knees slightly inward for a better spine stretch. Gradually lifting your chest off the floor and lowering your hips and core down, get into a cobra position. This pose is an excellent chest and shoulder opener. It is also one of the best stretches for increasing spine and hip flexibility. Now let us follow this up with our favorite cow and cat stretches. Wrists under shoulders, thighs at 90 degrees to the ground. Keep elbows straight. Inhale, open up your chest, spine, core and neck into the cow stretch, and as you exhale, curl your body inwards into cat stretch. Continue for about 8 to 10 repetitions. Further, from tabletop position, we'll continue into hip circles. Let's rotate our hips to our right, back, left and center, followed by the reverse. The range of motion would depend on our flexibility without bending our elbows. Continue for about 5 to 10 repetitions on each direction. Now lie down on your back on the mat. As you exhale, crunch up, reaching your arms to your legs lifted alternatively. Remember to exhale through your mouth while crunching, generating a whistle blowing like sound. Crunching engages the upper abdominal muscles while lifting legs work the lower abdominal muscles. It is an excellent stretch for core strengthening. After a few rounds of the same, continue crunching with both legs lifted together. Glute bridge to side stretches. Extend your arms on either side, bridge up, lifting the hips off the mat, and then lower your hips down to the ground. Now twist your torso and bend knees to the left, to the right, and back to the center. Continue for 5 to 10 repetitions. Let us now start cooling down. Touch the base of your feet against each other on the mat and gently press and open your inner thighs. Feel the stretch for about 5 to 10 seconds. Keep your right knee folded. Extend and pull your left leg gently towards yourself, feeling a deep hamstring stretch. Also, lift your upper body up, bringing your forehead and shin close to each other. Now bring both your knees close to your chest, bind tightly with your arms, raise upper body, bringing the nose and knees together. Excellent for digestion, Pavan Muktasana. Extend your arms on either side, stack folded knees on your left, look to your right palm. Hold for a few seconds and then repeat on the other side. Practice a couple of times and then rest in Shavasana for 2 to 3 minutes. You can then slowly turn on one side and gradually get up and take a comfortable seated cross-legged position. Palms folded in Namaskara Mudra, eyes closed. Rub your palms. When they get warmer, place them on your closed eyelids. Gently massage your face and your neck with your warm palms, and then slowly you can open your eyes. Hope you found my video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash the like button, share it with your friends and comment your feedback below. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help my Indie Yogi family grow. See you next week with part 3 of the Power Yoga Fat Loss series. Till then, coming up daily with short form videos. Guys, do take care. I'll see you next week. Till then, bye bye.